So, welcome to my channel. In a few minutes, the live stream is starting. So, we look into Kraken. Yeah, this is a crypto exchange like Binance and so on. Yeah. Yesterday, one subscriber write to me and say, "I have a problem. Could you announce this in your YouTube channel and so on?" Yeah. Then I look to the topic. Yeah, and then say, "Okay, what is the topic and so on?" Then I Google, and then I found some interesting topics. Yeah, if you look here to this, then you can see that, and in the news, in the internet, you can see a title: Kraken closes San Francisco headquarters due to excessive crime. Yeah, and in the first moment you think, okay, what the fuck? Yeah, there's excessive crime, and some people go to the customers, not to the customers, to the employees, and want the money. Yeah, so and you think this is a negative news and so on. Yeah, then I Google more and find out this. Yeah, at Reddit. Yeah, at the Kraken support, somebody write his problem. Yeah, one example here you can see my name is Sina and so on. Blah blah blah. I transfer the money and so on. Yeah. And she say here very interesting info. Even after 3 working days, my money is not there. So I called my bank to find out what's going on. He informed me that everything is okay and that the money is in your account. Yeah. So where's my money, Kraken? Even after I sent you a screenshot of the transfer, very important, 4 times, you still insist that the money didn't arrive. Very important information. Kraken says here that the money didn't arrive. Very important sentence. Please keep this in your mind. So why Kraken holding my money? Blah blah. It's not saying this is. I'm not saying this is scam and so on. Yeah. So where's my money and so on. Yeah. And then the Kraken support say here. Very important. So the Kraken support say here, as my colleagues mentioned in our email conversation, at first glance it looks like your deposit has never reached us. Yeah, that means the Mrs. Sina say, okay, I send you the money, and Kraken say, no, we not received the money. So please keep these two sentences in your head. So let's say, okay, it's a damage for me and so on. Yeah, and you can see you send the money and the Kraken say, no, we not received the money. Yeah. So they close their accounts. This is the next step. At the moment, a lot of accounts at the Kraken site is closing. Yeah. Next example. If you look here, I said to you in the previous example that you should keep this sentence in your mind. Yeah, deposit has never reached us. That's said here the Kraken support. So the next example, if you look here, uh, he also mentions another person. Yeah, Kraken account closed and crypto transaction reverted. Yeah, I will not read everything here. He transfers some money and so on, and you can see um, he say, I guarantee that if the value had gone down, blah blah, Kraken would have liquidated me. Okay. But in this case, they are pretending that I never made the transaction seems like fraud to me. He also say that he made a transaction and the Kraken say, okay, we never received this and so on. Yeah, it's only a second example. Yeah, and here the third example, the subscriber which writes me yesterday. Yeah, he made also a transaction. You can see the transaction is on hold. Yeah, and again the Kraken support say here. Yeah, you can see transaction. You cannot transaction 0. You have to transaction a value, yeah, $100, $200, something like that. And here Kraken support say they again, you can see here, there's no remaining balance that can be withdrawn in the Kraken account and it has been substantially closed. Yeah, you can see all the people say here we transfer money, but Kraken say no, we will not receive the money. So how can I say? I don't know how I think about this, but it looks like me, they keep the money here from the customers, yeah. And that's logical why this article comes out, why the Kraken employees get here excessive crime, because I think this is my interpretation from this. Maybe they keep the money. We cannot say this 100% sure, but if they keep the money from the customers, then the logical step is that the customers want their money back, yeah, and then they make here the crime. So it is a point what I want to show here, and it's not nice what Kraken here make. And this is obviously, look here, the people make here 3 different persons, yeah, or more. They make a transaction and Kraken say, okay, we not receive. Yeah, there's one example here, this, yeah, one example this, and one example this. Yeah, and it's I think a topic that we have to present here because it's not nice if your account is closing, yeah, by Kraken without reasons. Without reasons, yeah, you can see here these people make some transactions, yeah, and 3 different people, and the 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 response from the Kraken support is every time the same. Your deposit has never reached us, and that is really hard. Yeah, I don't know what is going on at the Kraken site, but it's not nice for crypto holders, and it's the point what I want to say here. So we're looking here to Bitcoin price, and I already made a live stream, but for me is today important day about the Bitcoin price. Yeah, let's look. We have here this triangle, and something will happen. Yeah, something big will happen. I don't know when it is happening. If you look here, 24 or 25, one of them is that. So for me is absolute danger here. This is a triangle. We will go out of this triangle and we will smash to the downside. Yeah, and this is I think a historical time. Yeah, to see this. Yeah, and I would say we will smash here to the downside. Let's look to the chat. Maybe you have a question, then we can take here more cryptos, yeah, like Cointi and other and so on. Yeah. So yeah, what a scary stuff. Imagine you have maybe the $10,000 on the Kraken account, and they close your account without without reasons. There are 3 different persons. Yeah, I don't know these persons, but it's frustrated that they react very free, and this is very scary. Binance is also the same. Yeah, Binance. Yeah, I will also make here a Binance video because the Binance act also the same, yeah, same strategy. And there are also some how can I say, comments what I not like, yeah. They are manipulating a lot of, yeah. I don't, how can I say, Michael Saylor, okay, I know this person, but for me is his strategy not the best, yeah. He buy Bitcoin at higher levels, yeah. If you are a professional trader, yeah, then you're not buying here at 30,000, you're not buying here at 40,000, yeah. If Michael Saylor look to my channel, then he has a better position than if he follow the Moonboy channels. I don't know. Yeah, he invests here at 44,000 millions, and he invests here again. So make no sense. Wait here and invest here at these levels, then you have here a lot of profit. Yeah. So he should look to the right channel. Then he's million richer. So I don't know what is the best safe account today. All accounts or all cryptocurrency accounts are, in my eyes, corrupt. Yeah, every. Yeah. Because I don't know. I see some behavior from different crypto exchanges. I don't like this. Yeah. For example, hold of deposit transaction is not happening. Some things that is not good. Yeah. So, uh, yes, follow me, say here a good thing. Many of these crypto companies will collapse. More blood on the streets. Yes, you're right. Yes, this is maybe the cleaning of the market. They're not saying this very exactly, but in the end of the day, this is a cleaning of the market to get here stronger projects. Yeah, the weak projects they dying. Yeah, and the stronger projects they are alive, yeah, and then they can start the bull run. That's a very important um, area, yeah, in which we are now, or timeline. So I read in the chat. I read the chat. Please give me a little time. Wolf, what about the broker that might be safer? It seems like these crypto-only platforms are not great, but broker who does stocks, cryptos together might be better. They are also the same. If the broker closes his company and go away, or goes um, or leave America or something, then you also lose your money. The money is not safe. Yeah, this is this is clear. Never. Your money is not safe in the bank. Your money is not safe in the crypto exchange, and broker also not. Maybe the strategy is not keep so much on these crypto exchanges, maybe $10,000 or $20,000, and then make profits and go take the money or the profit away. Yeah, so okay, Wirecard, yeah, it's also the same. Yeah. So what do you think about founder is Michael? Yeah, I don't know the project, so I cannot say here something. So please tell me here cryptos that we make here analyze. I think it makes sense because the Bitcoin prediction you saw already in the live stream before. So I think if you want that I should analyze the Bitcoin price very exactly, yeah, then you have to give me a little time. Then we make this here exactly. So now I'm for you here, and you can request here for me or to me cryptos. Yeah. and then I can analyze for you. So this is the service for you. I'm here. It's Friday, no working day. We are all crypto friends, so you can also make here an example. Maybe you can. Well, a question to you: should I analyze the Bitcoin price exactly or not? A very important question from Ivan. Do you think Elon Musk has a big plan for Doge? I think they play. Elon Musk is playing with the dog. This is my picture in my head because the Dogecoin holder are people like you and I, simple people, yeah, and he won't not disappoint these people, yeah. They give him, or Elon Musk give these people moral, yeah, and say, okay, it's not so bad. Dogecoin will survive. I will support and blah and bloop, yeah. But in real, the Dogecoin price, or if you want, we can look here. Dogecoin, the dog. The dog is dying, but the Dogecoin holder are very positive. That's the point what I not understand. But in general, we can say the Dogecoin chart is positive. Yeah, the Dogecoin will go really hard to the upside. It's not a bad crypto. It's a good crypto. If this project is survive, then this crypto will go really hard to the upside. Yeah, the dog will run to the moon, but it's not the right time at the moment. It's really not the right time. It will go here to the upside, but it will take. Yeah, and people will wondering himself how much we will go here to the upside, right? Like a rocket. But really, today or in these 2 years, I'm not seeing the price here high. I see here at the moment down risk, and we test exactly this level here. Look. So if this collapse, then the dog will fall to these levels. Yeah, 001, 002. And then for people who want to trade the dog, is a good point to entry, no financial advice. And then the price, I think, pendling here at these levels. Sideways movement, build the structure, and maybe mid of 2023, we could reach this. It's a weak structure here. This is weak. The next 30 cent level, the next 30 cent, then we will break the structure here. It's a weak. And this is signs for us that the price of Dodge of the dog will go here to 30 cent. Yeah, but not yet. Yeah. So we're looking to the next. Should we look to QNT? Let's look to this. Look, it's not fair. We looking here to the this so that we are fair. I hope we can find the crypto here. So let's look. Poor data. Looking here also poor data. I would say if you select this, yes, if you select such projects, yeah, that is beginning at January 2022. I would uh, I would not prefer such projects, yeah, because even if this project is good, yeah, I see this also here. We have a potential to go here to the upside. We have here this structure. This is no problem. Yeah, we have here uptrend. Yeah, we can make here profit, no problem. But the problem here is you not now know at the moment in which levels we are. If you look here February or January 2022, keep this in your mind. January 2022, we're looking to Bitcoin price. Let me look. So we're looking to Bitcoin price, and then you can see January 2022 was here. So the only chart that you see it at Solo is only this, yeah. But you have no information about this, yeah. So that is the point what I want to say to you. The price of Solo can go also to zero. So please look, if you choose a new cryptos, look in which levels we are. Yeah, that means this is an absolute uptrend. So if the downtrend begins, then you will buy, you could buy this 24 cent to, let me look, to 0.04 cent or 5 cent. Yeah, you have to know this. Yeah, because you earn your money not easy. Why you play with your money and like a casino? Yeah, you can go direct to casino, then you have easier. So we're looking here to the true sent me here something. We're looking here. Let's look to Jörn Finance. Yeah, maybe you can write me the name. Yeah, so I'm not know this from my head. Let's look. I think this is this. So we have this. Let me look. Jörn Finance. So we have this. I look if we can find here better structure. Let me look. Binance. This is okay for me. I can work with them, but I want to look here more better chart to see the whole structure. So we're looking here to, let's look to Gemini. Same. Bitstamp. Oh, bad. So we making here this. So I can say to you one thing. This is a big hammer, my friend, and this hammer will explode to the upside. Yeah, and of course we have here like the other cryptos to 2025 a more sideways movement I expect. Yeah, but let's look here to these levels. Maybe you understand the structure then before I explain you this. Yeah. So we make short because I don't want that other people wait so long. That the, I think it's makes sense to make here short info. So you can see we test this level here, and the next point is this. So I would expect that we're going here to 2000 or 3000 levels. Yeah, more than this I don't think. Yeah, that the price go to 800. This is too much. If we zoom in, then we can see this is a retest, and after that the price will go here to the downside. Let me check this first. Please give me a little time. So I would expect, let me look. Let me look exactly. Yes, I would expect something like that because we have to go here to the downside, make a retest and go here to the downside. Let's look here more for the future. What price levels we can reach. I think it's more interesting for people who want invest here in in Yuan Finance. So I think same game. We will go here to the upside, make this move, yeah, at 2025. We form here a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. And that means this crypto has a really good performance, yeah. If this happening, 160,000 go sideways, yeah, and then explode to 240 40 to 300,000. Why I think that? Why I think that the price will go here to 300,000? The good thing here is we have here clear structure. Yeah, the clear structure is this. This is our first resistance and first support. Yeah. So I think we will stay here a little bit, and after staying and retest, the price will explode. The next support is this here. Yeah. The reason why I draw this, if you look here, we test this level here one time, two times. This is the third time. This will not hold. The next move is this here. We will break this and we make a retest. Yeah. So we have a really good chart and patterns. And you can see we need the time until 2025. So, so I think for long term it makes sense. It's a very strong crypto. We're looking to the next so that the people not wait. We make here the next. What is DeFi? So you have this. You have to say to me the short name. Yeah, DeFi money. I cannot make something. We go to the next, and you can write in the chat maybe if you want. We make SNX. So we have SNX. Also the same. We are in a dangerous area. If you look here, look. That is a very dangerous point. You can see we touched here one time, two time, three time. We break the fourth time to the downside, and this is our last chance to go here to the upside. But you can see will not happen because the structure is broke and we make a retest. And the moon boys think we will break this. This will absolutely not happening. Yeah. If you look, this is absolute corrupt here. Yeah. You can see we break the line here. Then we break the line here, our positive trend line. Yeah, this is our positive trend line here. And now we test this. This absolutely make no sense. Look here. Even, let's say we break this. Let's say we're going here to the sideways movement and break the structure. Then the next move is here. So at $6, we have a clear sell signal here. Yeah. So if you bet your house, yeah, I will not say give no financial advice. Yeah. It make absolute no sense to go from this point more to the upside. Yeah. Even this is too high. In my eyes, I think we will break here down to the downside. Yeah. So the next trend in my eyes, if we look here to this formations, give me a little time. I'm not so fast. So in my eyes, clear sell signal to levels of, if I look to this, a clear signal between 80 cent and $1. Yeah, clear signals. Yeah. Let's look. Yeah. It seems it is positive. We have really positive signals. It's not easy to read the chart, but you see on the regarding the retest that this structure is not strong, and that means the price will go here in those areas, 80 cent and $1 areas. So we're looking to. So please write me the name DeFi money, please. Yeah, so that I can analyze the short name. So we're looking here to Crow. So one question to you: why you think that Crow is interesting? Yeah, there are other cryptos. They are really qualitative, more excellent. Yeah, so why you choose Crow? So we have this full chart. So thank you back. Thank you that you see my effort. Yeah, I make this for you, for all my subscribers, and I don't want that people lose their money here in the manipulated charts. Yeah, so I want to help these people, and I'm not a moon boy like the others, and I say here absolute the truth. I'm not. I have no interest here. I want to help the people. So here you can see at the crow we have here an uptrend. We broke this uptrend very clear. Yeah. So we have to look more inside, more inside, more inside, and you can see that we test this level, and this level is not strong because we test this level so much. Look here, and this will not hold. We will go here to the downside, and crow has here a good base here at this level. If you look here, yeah, at 001, and before we go coming to 001, I think we have good place to stay here at 007. Yeah. So we're looking to the next. So so what we can choose here. Okay, I understand. If you are invested big, then if you not buy in margin, yeah, then it makes sense. It's not financial advice, but it makes sense not um, to sell because it makes no sense if you buy here and selling here. Absolutely make no sense. Yeah, it will come a time in which the cryptos, if you look here, the cryptos will go really hard to the upside. We have these signs. If they not manipulate, yeah, we have enough possibility here to make retest at these levels here. Yeah. This year is different like this. So we're looking here to what we have here. Too many requests. Like make file. So absolute my favorite is one of the best cryptos. Yeah. This is like a list. List is also such crypto like Filecoin. It's also a crypto what many people not see. Yeah, absolute perfect, absolute perfect. Yeah, this is a crypto perfect structure, perfect patterns. Yeah, and this is one of the good cryptos. I'm not making financial advice. Yeah, this is only to see what performance. Yeah, if you look to the chart and you see the performance is absolute very good. Especially if you look here this negative trend and you know exactly this is a triangle. From this triangle we will break out. Yeah, we will see maybe the last shakeout here, but this triangle we will explode here. That not means yeah or that not yes that not means that we going here to this. Yeah. I think we will go more sideways movement, and in the end of the bull market this will explode really hard. So we're looking to file. Yeah, this was only a example here. um, we zoom in. Okay, we have here the negative trend line. You can see we are out of this negative trend line. And now we have to look how far we can go here to the downside. Yeah. So it is a good signs for us that we can say, okay, we are now out of this negative channel, and now we can go here to the upside and we make here higher prices. But the problem is, if you look here, we make here also a new retest. Yeah, if you look here and adjust a little bit, this is our channel. So even if we go a little bit to the upside, let's say we break this and make this, then we make a retest from this structure. Yeah, but this is not a structure in which we begin a bull market or uptrend. In my eyes, we have here clear signs that the price will go here. I would say 50%. Then we are landing at $2-3 levels here. Yeah. And then I would say, okay, we have a good structure, and then we can build here a new structure and begin a new bull run. Yeah, so not from this point, but a new uptrend. Yeah, so you understand what I mean. So we're looking here to let's look what we have here. So we're looking here to this. Okay. So please write me the short names. Yeah, I cannot. Uh, if you want that I analyze the polka dot, then you write please dot. Yeah, and so on. So we're looking here. So if you look to this here, then we see here a hammer. Look, and this is aggressive bullish. Yeah. So if the Bitcoin price goes here to the downside, then we will see something like that. Yeah. No matter, even if the price is going to 0.05 or 0.08, here is not so interesting. Interesting is what happens next. Yeah. And you can see we reach here a low level, exactly this here. Yeah. Look to the points this here and this here. And that means the price has now reached here his test, and then we have a good structure, left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and the price will go to these levels. Yeah, but in general, I'm positive. I would also observe this. Yeah, because if something goes from 30 cents to $2, this is aggressive bullish. Yeah, in my eyes, if you want, I make this in the Wolf Exclusive Club. But if you want, I can draw this to you, maybe the end target, that you understand how I think about this crypto. Yeah. Normally you have to come in the Wolf Exclusive Club and request this crypto, but I make this here for you, that you understand what performance I see here. Yeah. So we looking that the price is going to 0.007, 0.008 cent. Yeah. Then 2025 is this year. I think we will go to these levels, go here to the downside. We have a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. We will test this. Yeah. We build this structure. You will see something like that. Yeah. Because we have to test these levels again. Why we go here to the downside? The reason is we have to test this level again. That means we build our structure, this, yeah, and then go here to the downside and break here out. Yeah. The next neckline, if you look here, is in that levels. Yeah. So we have to test this level so much. Yeah, you can see from 0.006 cent we are at $3. Yeah, and we have to test this level so much. That means now we can delete this. We have here our head, build our head, and now we have to build our right shoulder. And that means, look please to the chart. 1, 2, 3. We adjust a little bit. Yeah. From the timeline, let me look. We have to draw this a little bit more real. I think we will see here after a 4-year bear market, also more sideways movement, we will see here a bull market for years. Yeah, so if this begin here, then I think at 2029 we will see here 4-year bull run. Yeah, so I think we have here enough time to build this structure and go sideways. And if you see something like that, left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, that means we will break out from this structure. Let me make this and then I go to the next crypto. That what I see here, the performance. I see that the price will go after break the neckline to 15, 17 or $20. Yeah. That is what I see. Yeah, and I give this information in my Wolf Exclusive Club to my customers and subscribers, and then they can say, okay, wow, it is possible that the price is going here to the upside. For you, only the information that you have to look to this level here, because this level is a level in which the whales manipulate very hard. Yeah, that means if they want that the price should not go here to the upside, they manipulate this exactly on this and let the price, what you see here, take the price here down. Yeah, you can see exactly on this place. But I would warn you, yeah, if you write to me and I say to you this direct. So we're going to 3 more cryptos, then I would finish um, the channel. Let's make here Bitcoin Cash. So I see I set exactly on this place here, yeah, that the price of Bitcoin Cash, this was exactly this place here. I said to them in my channel, look to old videos on my channel. In this place I said we will go to $300. Yeah, and exactly we go here to $300. At the $300 I said we will go to $90, and we're staying here at 117. Yeah, you can see how exactly the prediction here is. Same game here. We test this level here. This is a retest. Look here. Yeah, and if somebody or the Mumbai say to me, I come and say, okay, we will start the bull run, then I'm laughing about them. Yeah, the crypto make here retest is absolutely not happening. Should not happen that the bull run start at this moment. Make no sense. Yeah. Let me look. You can see we test this level exactly, and the problem is if you look here, we already break the structure here, and this is absolute danger. Yeah. So that's the reason why I know this information before the Moon Boys. Yeah. I see this clear. The break here, yeah, make absolute no sense. If you want that the price should go here to the upside, then the price should not go here to the downside. Yeah, the price have to go here to the upside like this. Yeah, and I see not this. Let's say okay, this formation will made or will make here in the next days, or it will be happen in the next days. Yeah, and let's say okay, we're going here to this level, so 130, and make this structure here. even if this is going to 130, it makes absolute no sense, because we test this this level so few, we test this here 1, 2, the third time, and this will not break, make no sense. The structure is here also broke. We have no retest, and some signs really is not nice to see this here. If you look here, we have this negative. We are still in a negative channel, so all the signs make absolute no sense to break the structure to the upside. Look, we're going to so Mr. Holmstad, if you send me a kiss, I'm not a woman, yeah? So if you request, then you can write this normal. So what is the next crypto here? Let's make here 3 cryptos and then I would finish. So let's read the chat. You should see everything is going up. Forget the S&P 500. It's only fake. Okay, do you think retest at 28,000? It is maybe possible that whales make a retest at these levels, but I would not say 28, more 23,000 is possible that we make here a retest. Let me look to Bitcoin price, then we can find out this exactly. You can forget this. Let's look. So, friends, this is our uptrend starting from this point. Yeah, this is our uptrend. So, this uptrend is, in my eyes, not stable. Yeah. So I see really not um, a performance in which I can say this will go to 30,000. So absolute make no sense. Yeah. So if we look here more inside, the next move in my eyes is in direction to 18,000. Yeah, so I expect that the price will go here to the downside. We make this in red. Let's look red. Yeah, so maybe we can make this a fat. So, and let me look here more inside. Yes, uh, let's look. We have here 2 possibilities. Let's delete this. So one possibility is we break here down, make here retest. This is if this is happening, 90% is coming through that we will go and smash to the downside. Yeah, I think this will happen. Let's say the wells they stretch, and that means they don't let the price down here and go from this point to these levels. Yeah, why they make this? Because they want that you believe that the price is going to the upside. Yeah, then we get here left shoulder head and right shoulder formation and test exactly this place. Yeah, look. Yeah, we make this in green that you see this. So yeah, and if this is happening, then we are staying at 23,000, but it makes no sense because we test this level so few that the price will smash after the fake outbreak here to the downside. So you can choose with which price prediction you want, this year or this year. I think 60-70% we make the red line, but I'm also honest to you. I know the whereas they could also stretch this to this level to test this level. So both make no sense. Yeah, that means the price will smash here to the downside. So we're looking here two more, and then I would finish because I have to drink some water, cold water, and here is very hot. What do you think about Ronaldo and Binance? How you predict they try to make crypto mainstream? Yes, yes, is a good point. Look, most of the people are sheeps. Binance and other cryptocurrency exchanges, they want that the crypto goes to mainstream. They won't make this. Yeah, this is a big agenda. And the people who have now fears from cryptos, they want that these people put the money and go to the crypto exchange and buy the crypto. It's the same like the dot-com bubble in the 2000 for um, 20 years ago. Exact the same. Everybody will buy cryptos. The cryptos will explode, and the big gangsters and bosses, they will sell. This is how the game is working. Yeah, and that's the reason why they need Ronaldo and the big stars to say, hey, invest here in our cryptocurrency, in our crypto exchange, and you will make money and so on. Yeah, Ronaldo get his money from this exchange, make his job. Yeah, and in the end of the day, the losers are we, we, we all. Yeah, and that's the very sad point of view. Yeah, I think people who not understand this structure, they not should buy cryptos because it's even hard for me to understand the structure, and it's not funny. Yeah, you are here at this levels here, this neckline. Yeah, and if we broke, then if this break, then we are here at this level. It's very quick, and your prediction is wrong. Yeah, so very difficult to predict, but it is possible. So let's make here Ethereum XRP. Look, both are gems. Then I would finish. It's getting here cold. Yes, you see the same structure like the Bitcoin price. The the moon boys. They say okay, yeah. They most of them are not buying here, yeah, and most of them buying here at this level. So they are happy that they make here 200 or 300 profits. Yeah. But in the end of the day, if you calculate this, then we will fall or drop. If I look to this, exactly at 400 and 300 levels. Yeah. And it's not funny if you buy at $1,000 like the Moon Boys and your crypto goes here to $400. Yeah, and you have here nearly 50% more. I think yes, 50% loses. Yeah, so it makes sense to look to the Ethereum price here at these levels. Yes, and I think we have here good support at these levels. Yeah, 350 is a good place. Yeah. So members on my channel, Wolf Exclusive Club or Wolf Price Target, people who use this membership, they know exactly at the Ethereum price in which levels we will go. Yeah. And I'm honest to you, if something drops from 5,000 to 300, then you have to think, yeah, what will happen if the opposite is happening, yeah. And we have here clear, I mentioned this again, clear, clear, clear structures in which the Ethereum price will explode, yeah. But this is not so that we're saying, yeah, okay, the price will explode like this. You can forget this. This will not happen. Yeah, you can forget this. This will not happen. We will see here a slow and slow sideways movement. That means the price will go until 2025 sideways. The effect is, if you see something like that, the effect is that we build here our structure. And if the price, I think 1,500, 2,000, if we break here our neckline, this will explode like this here. Yeah. So the members, they have this information, and if you are not member, then get the membership at the Wolf Price Target or come in the Wolf Exclusive Club to find out how far we can go here. Yeah. Because it's a huge opportunity, no financial advice. Prices of 300, 400, 500, 600. And if you know the end target, then yeah, then you are, yeah, no comment. So we're going to the next one more and then we finish. XCP. Okay, we make this and then XCP and then we finish. So also good crypto, you can see the price is going from $3 to 500. If you see something like that, this is a sign that this crypto is a good crypto, but not trust blind. Yeah, even if we have a good structure. At Terra Luna we have also this structure, good structure. Yeah, but you see you saw what happens with Terra Luna. But if you see this structure, then you can see also a retest of these levels here. Look, you can see we test these levels, and this is a sign that you have to run. Yeah, you have to stop your computer or iPhone, and you have to run. Yeah, because this is only a retest. Even if we go a little bit more to these levels here, look, we have place to go a little bit more to these levels. Yeah, and then it's finished in my eyes. Then we have place to go to these levels here, $16. But we can look here more inside, yeah, to calculate the structure and the price levels. So we start here at May. So if we look to this, then I would say we have to place, if this drops, let's say we dropping here to the downside, make this a little bit exactly. So you can see also here left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation. This is not nice. That is not nice. I would say we will go here to $30. So now we have to draw this exactly and go here exactly in this chart. So and this is a science for us here. We build here our structure and then we can go here to the upside. I think the whales want a stretching to these levels end of the year, and then we could test this level here again. Yeah, break this structure here. test here 1, 2, 3, break the structure, make a retest of this level. This level is very important here, 63. And then we are happy. The bull run can start slowly and slowly. So the last, and then we finish XRP. This was XRP. Yes, also the same. Even if the moon boys say here the price will explode or something, this blah blah. The price, if you look here, we make here a retest. This retest can go until to this level. So not wondering if the price of XRP goes to 54 cent, but I not believe in that. Yeah, the wells, they can stretch it to these levels. Yeah, but in my eyes, this is only 10 to 10, 20, 30% possible. I think I see a structure like this, that the price is going to the half of them. Let's say what we have here. Yes, I see here prices in direction of 18, 20 cent, yeah, 19 cent. More the red area. So I would say I'm finished. Have a nice day. Thank you for your subscribes. Please share the video so that we come to 20,000 subscribers. And if I see this, yeah, that you share the videos and the people are here active and the channel or community is growing, then I would make here more live videos for you and more um, like this kind of video to make a good service for you. Yeah. So I would say have a nice evening. Thank you for all your support and let's say have a nice evening. Thanks.